Respiratory mucus can be a persistent and uncomfortable issue, often arising from conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, chronic bronchitis, asthma, or sinus infections. An effective and natural remedy to alleviate this problem is the use of salt therapy. Salt possesses remarkable properties that can significantly benefit respiratory health. Salt acts as a potent antimicrobial agent, exhibiting antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-yeast, and anti-mold capabilities. When inhaled, salt particles can thin and loosen the mucus in the lungs, sinuses, and throat, making it easier to expel. This process not only clears the airways, but also helps in reducing inflammation and combating pathogens that may be contributing to mucus production. One method to harness the benefits of salt is through halotherapy, or salt therapy. This involves breathing in air infused with fine salt particles, which can be achieved using a device called a halogenerator. The halogenerator disperses ionized salt into the air, creating an environment that, when inhaled, can help loosen mucus and cleanse the respiratory system. Utilizing such a device while sleeping can provide continuous exposure, promoting clearer airways upon waking. Another practical approach is the use of a neti pot. This tool allows for nasal irrigation with a saline solution, effectively washing out the sinuses and thinning mucus. Regular use of a neti pot can alleviate sinus congestion and reduce post-nasal drip, providing relief from the discomfort associated with excessive mucus. It's also crucial to consider environmental factors that may contribute to persistent respiratory mucus. Mold or mildew in the home can be significant culprits. Regularly inspecting living spaces for signs of mold and addressing any issues promptly can prevent continuous irritation of the respiratory system. Improving ventilation, using dehumidifiers, and ensuring that areas prone to dampness are kept dry are effective strategies to mitigate mold growth. In addition to these methods, certain nutritional interventions can support the reduction of mucus. Incorporating natural antimicrobials such as oregano oil and garlic into your diet can help combat underlying infections that may be causing mucus production. Furthermore, engaging in periodic fasting, such as a 48 to 72-hour fast once a month, can induce autophagy, a process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This not only boosts the immune system, but also helps in deactivating lingering microbes and viruses that could be contributing to respiratory issues. For those dealing with chronic respiratory conditions, N-acetylcysteine, NAC, presents a promising option. NAC works similarly to salt by thinning mucus, but also inhibits its production. It serves as a potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and antiviral agent capable of breaking up biofilms. Additionally, NAC strengthens the cilia in the respiratory system, aiding in the movement of mucus. It can be taken orally, injected, or inhaled through a nebulizer, offering flexibility in administration based on individual needs. In conclusion, managing respiratory mucus effectively involves a combination of environmental management, natural remedies, and nutritional support. By incorporating salt therapy, maintaining a mold-free living environment, utilizing natural antimicrobials, and considering supplements like NAC, individuals can achieve significant relief from the discomfort of excessive mucus and enhance their overall respiratory health.